Hello students! So for today, what we are going to discuss is about fraction. So what is fraction? Numbers in this form are known as fraction. Fraction has two parts, the top and the bottom. The top part is what we call numerator and the bottom part is what we call denominator. Numerator or the top part is the number of equal parts which have been taken out or which have been left out. And when we say denominator, it is the total number of equal parts in which whole is divided into. Did you know that there is a rule in mathematics? When the fraction or the denominator of the fraction is equal to 0, it will not considered as fraction because if the denominator is equal to 0, then the fraction will be not defined as well. We cannot divide anything by 0. So now that we know the meaning and the parts of the fraction, let's move on to the types of the fractions. The first one is the proper fraction. When we say proper fraction, it is where the numerator is smaller or less than the denominator. The next one is the improper fraction. When we say improper fraction, it is the fraction where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So, if the numerator of a fraction is equal to or greater than the denominator, then it is an improper fraction. Also, we have the mixed fraction. It's simply an improper fraction as the sum of a whole number and a proper fraction. So, a mixed fraction is a combination of proper fraction and a whole number. Aside from the types of fraction mentioned, we also have similar and dissimilar fraction. When we say similar fraction, it is a fraction with the same denominator. For example, 1/4 and 2/4. They have the same denominator. We also have the dissimilar fraction. The dissimilar fraction is the opposite of similar fraction. When the similar fraction have same denominator, the dissimilar fraction have different denominator. Like for example, 2/5 and 1/6. They have different denominator. And that ends our discussion for today. For your activity, what are you going to do is to identify what types of fraction is in the given. So, that's all for today. I hope you learned something from it. Thank you and God bless.